Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to the Storyteller's Chair, where stories from Africa come alive, full of animals, adventures, and lessons for everyone. Today's story comes from the grasslands of Africa, where the sun shines bright and herds of animals roam free. It's called How the Zebra Got Its Stripes, a story about how patience, cleverness, and teamwork can turn something ordinary into something extraordinary. Are you ready? Let's begin. Long, long ago, in the time when animals still talked, there were no zebras in the world. The grasslands were filled with brown and golden creatures: lions, giraffes, antelopes, and buffaloes. But one animal looked very plain: a small brown donkey named Zane. Zane worked hard carrying water for all the animals, but he was tired of looking dull and dusty. He often said, "Oh, how I wish I had colors like the birds or patterns like the leopards." The other animals laughed kindly. "Zane, you are fine just as you are," said the elephant. "It's not what's on your back, but what's in your heart." But Zane still wished for something special. One hot morning, Zane heard a rumor. The clever monkey said, "Far beyond the hills, there's a magic pool. Whoever touches its water will be painted with colors and patterns by the Great Spirit." Zane's eyes sparkled. "That's it. I'll find that pool." So he set off on a long journey across the savannah. He walked past tall grass, wide rivers, and sleeping lions. He met animals along the way: the cheetah, who warned him to be quick; the elephant, who told him to be careful; the ostrich, who said the pool only appears at sunrise. After many days, Zane finally reached the pool, shining under the morning sun. Zane looked into the water. It glowed like a rainbow. He dipped his hoof into it, and splosh! The water shimmered and swirled. Suddenly, he heard a deep, gentle voice. "Zane the donkey, what is it you seek?" Zane bowed his head. "Great Spirit, I only wish to be beautiful, to have something special like the other animals." The Spirit replied, "Then step into the water and let your heart guide your pattern." Zane slowly stepped in. The water began to swell black and white, twisting around his body. Whoosh, whoosh. When the ripples faded, Zane looked down and gasped. He was covered in beautiful black and white stripes. He neighed with joy. "I'm not plain anymore." The Great Spirit said, "Your stripes are not just for beauty. Each line reminds you to walk the straight path. Never boast, never forget your kindness." Zane thanked the Spirit and galloped home. When Zane returned, all the animals were amazed. "Zane, you look wonderful," cried the monkey. "How did you do it?" asked the antelope. Zane smiled and said, "I found the magic pool. But it wasn't just the water. It was believing I could be something more and staying true to myself." The elephant nodded wisely. "You were special before, Zane. The stripes only helped the world see it." From that day, Zane was known as Zane the Zebra, the first of his kind, and soon his children and grandchildren filled the plains, black and white, strong and proud. If you enjoy learning through stories like this video,
Share your favorite parts in the comments. Share with teachers, students, or storytellers. Subscribe for weekly educational folk tales and cultural stories. Thank you.